Kanye West has teeth removed and replaced with $850,000 titanium dentures modeled after James Bond spy. Kanye West is trading rap for heavy metal. The 46-year-old rapper turned heads when he took to his Instagram story Wednesday to show off what appears to be new metallic dentures, which the Daily Mail is reporting to be worth a hefty $850,000. In a second post, West compared his new look to the James Bond villain, Jaws, who had a mouth of metal. The villain appeared in 1977's The Spy Who Loved Me and 1979's Moonraker. The Daily Mail reported West's teeth were fully removed and replaced with custom-made titanium dentures by the self-proclaimed father of Diamond Dentistry, Dr. Thomas Connelly, and cosmetic dentist Naoki Hayashi. Page 6 could not reach West's representative for confirmation, but Connelly reshared West's teeth reveal to his own Instagram story and told the Daily Mail he is behind the new look. "It was a pleasure to work with every step of the process," he raved. His vision for designing unique art transcends the dental progression. The marriage of his vision with dental science has created a new look that is epic. While West and Connelly seem proud of their work, fans took to social media to troll the Grammy winner for his unconventional dental work. "He is still an idiot, more money than brains. It helped, man," one ex-user slammed. "No way Kanye West went through with that. Looked like he wrapped his teeth with gum wrapper, skull loudly crying face," a second added. A third seemingly concerned person wrote, "This can't be real." West's titanium creation isn't the first time he has designed his own teeth. In 2010, he claimed on an episode of The Ellen DeGeneres Show that he had his bottom teeth taken out and replaced with diamonds. "I just thought that diamonds were cooler. It's certain stuff that rock stars are supposed to do," he explained. He admitted, however, that he had to visit the dentist frequently to maintain his chompers. He later told Vanity Fair he removed his teeth instead of opting for a grill because he didn't feel like having to take them out all the time. West isn't the only one in his family with an affinity for shimmering teeth. Last June, his 8-year-old son, Saint, showed off his teeth decorated with metallic Louis Vuitton logos on social media. His ex-wife, Kim Kardashian, also previously rocked an opal and diamond grill. Kanye West fans call rapper Vampire Kanye after he replaces teeth with titanium dentures. The saga of Kanye's smile, from bling to Bond villain. Kanye West, the enigmatic rapper known for his musical genius and outlandish pronouncements, has also cultivated a reputation for interesting dental choices. Buckle up, because we're diving into the 7-minute saga of Kanye's smile, a story filled with diamonds, gold, and even a touch of James Bond. Act 1, Blingin' Out 2010. The year is 2010. Kanye struts onto the Ellen DeGeneres Show, flashing a blinding grin. His bottom row gleams with diamonds and gold, sparking immediate intrigue. Kanye, ever the showman, declares, "I just thought diamonds were cooler," claiming he swapped his natural teeth for these dazzling gems. Dentists, however, raised their eyebrows. While Kanye's claim made for a juicy headline, experts suspected the truth was less dramatic. They believed Kanye likely had a custom-made gold and diamond bridge attached to his existing teeth, not a full-on diamond transplant. Act 2. The Grill is Not So Real, 2012 to 2013. The blingy smile remained Kanye's signature for a few years, but whispers of discomfort grew. In 2012, he admitted to frequent dentist visits to maintain the grills, hinting at potential downsides. By 2013, the diamonds and gold mysteriously vanished, replaced by a more natural-looking set. Act 3. Enter the Titanium Enigma, 2023. Fast forward to October 2023. Page 6 drops a bombshell. Kanye has swapped his smile for something far more unique. According to the report, he's gone full James Bond villain, sporting $850,000 worth of titanium dentures modeled after Odd Job, the steel-toothed henchman from Goldfinger. While Kanye hasn't confirmed this latest dental adventure, the internet is abuzz. Images of a Kanye with a metallic grin circulate, sparking debates about the why and the how. Is it a permanent artistic statement? A temporary Halloween costume gone rogue? Only Kanye knows for sure. The epilogue, a smile steeped in mystery. So, where does this leave us? Kanye's teeth have become a pop culture phenomenon, a canvas for his ever-evolving persona. From blinged-out rapper to diamond-free everyman, and now, possibly, a titanium chomp Bond villain, Kanye's smile has been a roller coaster ride. Will he shed light on his latest dental transformation? Will the titanium grin become his new signature look? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, in the saga of Kanye's smile, there's never a dull moment. And that my friends, is the story of Kanye's teeth, a tale of diamonds, gold, and maybe even a little titanium. Remember, in the world of Kanye, even a smile can be a masterpiece. But this is not surprising than that. In February 2020, Lil Uzi Vert shocked the world by implanting an 11-carat pink diamond worth $24 million in the middle of his forehead. Lil Uzi Vert with diamond on forehead. He reportedly had the diamond secured with a medical-grade piercing procedure. The move sparked endless debate and speculation, with some praising his bold expression of individuality and others questioning the practicality and safety of the implant. In July 2020, Uzi tweeted that he accidentally ripped the diamond out during a concert mosh pit, but later said he was joking. The diamond remains firmly lodged in his forehead and continues to be a defining feature of his outlandish persona. Thank you for watching, but please subscribe for more. Main.